Solid-state drives are only half the size of traditional hard drives. Not only that, they are also much lighter, and when operating, they do not make any noise or generate heat. Solid-state drives consume very little power, 0.25 to 3 watts during active use, and can consume as little as 0.05 to 0.5 watts when idle. That is why I want to build a simple storage server for personal needs. To accomplish that wish, I use an embedded computer. Raspberry Pi 3. Compact size, fits in the palm of your hand. Idle usage around 2 watts. Typical usage often around 3 watts. A memory card to run the operating system. OpenMediaVault is a good choice for building a personal storage server. Users of Raspberry Pi models 3 and higher sold select Raspberry Pi OS Lite 64-bit. Don't forget to set up a username and password for remote access. For remote access, I enable SSH service. Connect the embedded computer to the network and find its IP address on the router. Here is its IP address. Open O command window and access remotely using SSH. Use the username and password set in the previous step. Follow the instructions and use the above commands. Raspberry Pi OS updates and upgrades. I was asked to reboot after completion. Install OpenMediaVault. Select Default and press Enter to continue. Just copy and paste into the command window to run the script. Wait about 20 minutes to complete. After completion, there is a message saying the IP address has been changed. So I find the new IP address on the router. Here is its IP address. Use any browser to enter the IP address of the embedded computer to access OpenMediaVault. The default username and password are admin and OpenMediaVault. Adapter cable to connect the solid-state drive to the computer embedded. USB to SATA. With a solid-state drive, you don't need power for this adapter. Connect to any USB port on the embedded computer. Storage. Disks. System detected the hard drive. This is the power consumption in standby state, 2.6 watts. Next, check the power consumption when uploading or downloading data. About 4 watts. Average only 3 watts consumption. Thanks for watching. I left the instructions for creating a shared folder in the description and went to the power consumption test.